Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Zunar. So the wedding season is ahead and I got a lot of messages कि जी हमारे wedding bag में क्या होना चाहिए the night after barat and walima. So today I'll telling you कि आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए. सबसे पहले आपके पास होना चाहिए एक अच्छा सा hand carry. This is the main thing जो आपके पास आपके packing के लिए होना चाहिए because you have to spend it for the first and for the last time. So you have to buy a very reasonable plus a very authentic plus a very मजबूत किस्म का hand carry. The first thing you need is any oil based makeup remover because removing the makeup is really very important for your skin. So ये मैं इसमें रख रही हूँ. And the second thing you need any cotton wipes or any wet wipes. I'll prefer to go with wet wipes because they have already a wet texture. Plus if I apply my oil based cleanser, oil based makeup remover on the wipes, then the makeup will be removed very easily. Another thing is this heavy duty conditioner because opening up your back comings and removing the pin is really very important task of the wedding night. So yes, this is the must have product in your bridal box. The next thing is deodorant for sure because why not, and of course your perfume because this is the necessary product. So yes. Another important thing is the dress which you are going to wear next day, plus some flats because salon jana hai or you cannot be so comfortable with the heels. But if you have a time to go to some lunch and all, then एक heels का pair भी रख लें because why not अगर emergency में जाना पड़ सकता है. उसके अलावा the most important thing your sleeping dress because this is the most important part of your wedding luggage box. A good moisturizer is really very important to keep your skin hydrated, to keep your skin moist, and then a hairbrush. Now your basic makeup bag. My basic makeup bag looks really very heavy because my basic makeup look doesn't consist of 2 or 3 products. And now some of your undergarments and your sanitary napkins. I'll prefer to go with some extra undergarments because you don't know if you need it. And आजकल की ज़रूरत, your power bank, your charger. And yes, if you have any eyesight issue, then you have to keep your glasses along with this bag. Plus an envelope अगर आपको किसी salon में या कहीं पे भी कोई cash देना पड़े, then this is necessary for that. Some painkillers. And yes, the most important thing आजकल की लड़कियों की खास तौर पे मेरे लिए the straightener. These were the basic essentials जो आपको आपके wedding luggage box में चाहिए है, wedding luggage hand carry में चाहिए है. अगर वीडियो आपको benefited लगी है, अच्छी लगी है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. उसके साथ ही एक बेल आइकन का बटन है, उस पर जरूर क्लिक कीजिएगा. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा और शेयर भी कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.